저도 아버지가 그렇게 갑자기 가실 줄은 몰랐어요. 을 줄 알다, 을 줄 모르다. Know how to, don't know how to. Yeah. So when you have 먹다, if you combine it with 을 줄 알다. So for example, I know how to eat kimchi. So 먹다, 을 줄 알다 combined comes to 먹을 줄 알다.
Yeah. So 저는 김치를 먹을 줄 알아요.
Yeah. 저는 김치를 먹을 줄 알아요. Can you say, I know how to speak Korean?
저는 한국어 말할 줄 알아요.
Yeah, 말하다, 하다 combined with 을 줄 알다. Because 하 does not have vowel consonant, don't choose 을, just choose 리을. 할 줄 알아요.
Yeah. So
Can you try again?
저는 한국어 말할 줄 알아요.
Yes. Can you say, I know how to drive a bus?
Yeah. So 저는 버스를 운전할 줄 알아요.
Yes. I didn't know how to drive a truck.
Okay. 저는 트럭을 운전할 줄 몰랐어요.
Yes. Maybe that person does not know how to come to this place. That person is 그 사람.
아마도 그 사람 여기에
그 사람은 여기에
갈 줄 몰라요.
올 줄
몰라요.
모를 거예요. Maybe he doesn't know how to eat kimchi.
아마도 그 사람은 김치를 먹을 줄 거예요.
모를 거예요.
모를 거예요. A future tense. Yeah.
Maybe he knows how to eat kimchi.
아무도 그 사람은 김치를 먹을 줄 알 거예요.
Yeah, 알 거예요. Yeah. Okay, one more time. 을 줄 모를 거예요. Maybe don't know how to. 을 줄 알 거예요. Maybe know how to.
Yeah.
So it's, when you want to say maybe or just know how to, it's only with one subject. And then 모르다, 알다 should be present tense or future tense. To clarify, I know how to, so 을 줄 알아요. I don't know how to, 을 줄 몰라요. And then when somebody may not know how to do something, so 그 사람은 을 줄 모를 거예요. Future tense. Maybe somebody knows how to. 아마도 그 사람은 을 줄 알 거예요.
Yeah, so I think I grasp it. So
Mhm.
I know something. It's ölçül 알아요.
Mhm.
And if I cannot say about myself that maybe.
Mhm.
So it would be this somebody. So 그 사람은, and it will be ölçül 알 거예요.
Mhm. And then
Yeah, future tense.
yeah, if that person may not know how to.
ölçül 모를 거예요.
Yes. So
Yeah.
for these two structure, you have only one subject. And then
Yes.
모르다 알다 is either present or future. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have a completely new chapter. So two subject and then past tense. 몰랐어요, 알았어요. 울 줄 몰랐어요, 울 줄 알았어요. With two subject. 예. 나는 어머니가 김치를 만들 줄 몰랐어요. Read this. 나는 어머니가 김치를 만들 줄 몰랐어요.
나는 어머니가 김치를 만들 줄 몰랐어요. So we have two subjects, 나는 and 어머니가.
And then you have 몰랐다 in the past tense.
Yeah.
Can you guess what it means though? Before I explain.
My mother don't know how to make. No, it should not be to me.
That happens with only one subject.
Yeah.
So read the first subject and then go to the last verb. So 나는 몰랐어요.
I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't know.
I didn't know. Yeah.
What did you know not? What didn't you know?
That my mother
Would make kimchi.
I did not know that my mother would make a kimchi.
So your mother made kimchi.
Yes. I think I understand.
Yes, simple.
만들어 줄. But
Okay, 만들다 is make, okay?
I know, but if can I maybe change this sentence to 저는 어머니가 김치를 만들 수 몰랐어요.
만들 수 몰랐어요. You cannot say that. 만들 줄 몰랐어요.
Yeah.
You don't go with 수. Okay, now let's try a new sentence. 나는 어머니가 김치를 만들 줄 알았어요.
So I thought, or I thought that my mother would make kimchi.
Yeah, but did she or not?
No, she did not.
She didn't. Yeah.
Yeah.
This structure is really good. You should remember this structure. So I thought my friend would come. How can you say?
저는 내 친구가 올 줄 알았어요.
Yes, perfect.
I was thinking about the double negative and partial negative from the last time.
I thought my friend would not come.
저는 내 친구가 올 줄 몰랐어요.
I didn't know kimchi would be this spicy. This spicy is 이렇게 맵다.
Okay. 저는 김치가
Mm-hmm.
김치
Yeah,
가
저는 김치가. Yeah.
이렇게
Yeah.
맵을
Yeah. 매울.
매부
Yeah, 매울.
줄
Yeah.
몰랐어요.
Oh, yeah, yeah. 맵다 has 비읍 consonant. So when you conjugate it before noun, 줄 is a noun. So 비읍 is gone, and then you put 우 there. So 매울 줄
Yeah.
몰랐어요.
매울 줄 몰랐어요.
And then 덥다 is, weather, unfriendly warm weather. I didn't know today it would be this hot.
저는
Mm-hmm.
오늘이
Mm-hmm.
더울 줄
이렇게 this hot,
몰랐어요.
이렇게 더울 줄.
이렇게 더울 줄 몰랐어요.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Can you say, I didn't know kimchi would be this delicious?
저는 김치가
Mm-hmm.
이렇게
Mm-hmm.
마실 줄
맛있다.
맛있다.
Yeah, 맛있다 is the root. Yeah.
So 맛있을 맛있을 줄 몰랐어요.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Today we covered really important phrases.
Yeah.
줄,
I think I heard it a lot.
Yeah.
This 몰랐어요.
Yeah.
ending.
This is really essential part.